This is Jubilee Celebration. It's a David Austin rose. It looks so beautiful today. I don't know why it's so droopy, but this is what the flowers look like. They are a bit droopy, so I don't know why, but I find a lot of David Austin roses to be droopy. So they really do smell like grapefruit. And when the weather's good, yeah, it's a beautiful day. Got some daylilies there. And yeah, that's Evelyn there. And yeah, when the weather's good. She also likes to do this. It's actually not that easy to spot her if you don't know that she's there.
Look at this one. Jubilee celebration, fantastic. This is more soft.
Jubilee Celebration in particular, for me, in living in Italy, is really hardy and really easy to grow. In Italy, at least, roses grow very well here. Even though it's in a container, Jubilee Celebration is growing very well, and probably this is the most successful container rose that I have. Because like here I have Shropshire Lad, and it did blossom before, but the flowers have faded, and so I have to wait for new ones. I mean, it's okay, but you know what? This pot is smaller than the Jubilee Celebration, but this rose is smaller too. Hi guys, so if you know me, you know that I love flowers, and I'm growing 4 David Austin roses in containers, 4 varieties: Jubilee Celebration, Evelyn, Wallerton Old Hall, and Shropshire Lad. And so like Jubilee Celebration has just like blossomed. Evelyn actually makes the best cut flower, but Jubilee Celebration for me has been growing the best. What I often do though is I like to bring the flowers inside. So this is Jubilee Celebration, and I'm using old cosmetic bottles, so I recycle them to use as vases or pots or containers for things, but especially for plants. You can grow cactuses in them as well. You know, the containers that are like that with the lid, just throw the lid away. But the containers often make really beautiful vases. So this is Jubilee Celebration. It doesn't last as long as Evelyn when it's cut. This is Evelyn, but it's old. I need to throw these away. But I was using this container, which really is much more like luxurious, or it's just prettier, this container, than the green one. And then I'm just gonna show you my ponies. This is Shirley Temple, and yeah, I just put this in a normal, this is a crystal vase though, but yeah, I just wanted to show you because I had it and it smells lovely. So I like David Austin roses because they have so many different smells and they just smell so good. Jubilee Celebration smells like grapefruit. Shropshire Lad smells kind of fruity as well, but sweeter than Jubilee Celebration. Evelyn smells sweeter as well, but more flowery, than the other ones. And Wallerton Old Hall kind of smells like cream or custard, but it has a less intense fragrance than Jubilee Celebration. Jubilee Celebration has a really strong fragrance and has just been doing so well in container. So I just wanted to tell you about that and show you that. And so thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye. Good job. Is it good?